Ooh la la. Yeah, I have a ooh la la beauty box from FabFitFun that I curated. And no, I wasn't just curating it for myself. I was curating it for you guys. That's right. It's my birthday month. And although I hadn't done a whole lot yet, I thought, hey, it's time to start giving. Because what's better to do than to give for your own birthday? So we'll find out more about that in a minute. And I have some happy birthday mail. And I have a FabFitFun edit. It's a very small edit. Maybe we should say cut, finish. It's short, but I like what I got. And that's the main thing. Hey guys, Miss Jackie Russell here. My name's Vicki, and we're going to get started. I think I'm going to start off with my friend mail. I've kind of already told you a little bit about what's going on today for this Freaky Friday. Oh, and it is Friday, so I am going to have a little freaky story also. So stay tuned for that. I've got 2 cards here, and I'm not going to wait until Mass Monday. They're already here, so I'm going to open them up. And it says return address public. So there's a cute little bunny on here. And I'm not sure if that means that it's birthday mail. Might be Easter mail. I don't know, but it is made out to Miss Jackie Russell. And you're going to find out what's in here. Don't y'all want to know? I want to know. You are precious to God. With every breath you take, God rejoices in your life. He believes in you, watches over you, and lovingly keeps you in His constant care. And that's by Bonnie Jensen. On the inside here says, Jackie, may you know how much you are loved and valued, not only by those who know you, but by the one who created you. Myra Elaine from the Buying Spaces channel. Oh, wow. Well, Myra, thank you. Oh, my goodness. Well, this is exciting. That is so special. Thank you, Myra. Over here it says, He will rejoice over thee with joy. He will rest in His love. He will joy over thee with singing. Zechariah 3:17, King James Version, and that's so true. And Buying Spaces does have a channel. So be sure and go over and check her out. I will also, leave like her channel in my description so that you can pop over there easier and go check her out. She says, Jackie, thank you for hosting collabs. It was so fun. And then she sent another card and it says blessed. And I'm not real sure, but I think this might be a Band-Aid. I think it is because she knows I cut my finger. And I did. And guys, it is getting better. And I don't know if it can. I'll show y'all a little bit of it. Look at that. Still healing. That's been over 10 days. Yeah, it was a doozy. But it's healing. That's all I can say. And I'm keeping it wrapped up. When I first had it, it was all wrapped up. So she sent me a bandage. And it looks like a pretty good size one that I might could wrap around it. But thank you so much, Myra. I hope I'm saying your name right. Let's see here. Myra. Yeah, I believe it is. And it's a Dayspring card. And I love this card. So please be sure and go check her out. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then I have another card. And this here is from our friend Retro D. And Retro D has a channel too. So you'll want to go check her out as well. Let's see what we have here. Now I will say she's got little puppy dog on here. And there's a puppy dog on the back. Because she knows I have puppies and I love puppy dogs. And it looks like I'm getting a puppy dog card here. Your birthday is one of my favorite days. And we got Dalmatians on there. And it says, because you're one of my favorite friends. Hi, Vicky. I hope you have a great birthday. It has been a pleasure being your friend. Best wishes always, Retro D. And she's got her at Marie Pascal. Now, I know a lot of y'all think her name is Marie. Marie Pascal is like Hello Kitty. It's a Hello Kitty animal, but that animal is called Marie Pascal. And it just happens to be her favorite stuffed animal or animated animal. Maybe it's animated. But anyway, her name is D. But her channel is at Marie Pascal. Okay? So maybe we can get that all straightened out. And she's a part of our Dollar Tree trains. And we have a lot of fun. And she's a great friend. I love that card. That is so cute with the Dalmatians on there. Thank you, Myra, and thank you, Dee, for thinking of me for my birthday. That's just so sweet. I just love it. Thank you so much. I just don't know. I know hers may be intended to be a get well and just to let me know. And she loves watching the collabs too. Thank you for hosting the collabs. So that is all good. I really love that. Thank you. Now, I did buy a little bit from the edit sale, and this is actually from two different ones because I only bought one item from each edit sale. And the first item that I purchased for $8.99, and it was regular like $36.99. It's from Steel Mill, and it has the day planner, and then you get these markers. And I've had the bigger one, and so I thought I might like the smaller one. And you also get stickers. So you get quite a bit. I want to take a look at it, so I'm going to open it up real quick. Did any of you get this from FabFitFun? FabFitFun has an edit sale, and right now summer's open, and we're going to be picking. Matter of fact, I already picked today on this Freaky Friday. And like I said, I'm going to enjoy using these. I've already had those, and they're great little markers and highlighters. And I have used some of the flower stickers, but I still have some because there's like 4 or 5 sheets in here. And so this is like hardcover, like laminate, maybe. It's really nice. And then on the inside, you have day planning, and you can write your date up there, and you can get 4 days on each page. Each opened up page, 2 pages. But this will work out great for me. I like to write down things during the day. It has a place for belongs to you. If I have to plan out something or put in my appointments, I just like to write it into a planner. And I remembered that I really liked this one when I had it. I actually like this size better. So, and it's got the spiral pages, and I like that too. So that's going to come in real handy. And I also like that I can use it anytime and put my own date on there, because I've got one I'm using now, and I have another one coming just like it. And I'll show that when it comes. But that was the first thing that I got from FabFitFun. And FabFitFun in the edit sales, you can only get in the edit sales if you're a member. So you can get some great prices. And I also bought another one of those sports bras, and it's in this blue color, and I love the one that I have, and this was marked down to $13.99. So I got me another one in large, and I hope it'll work out. The extra large was all sold out, but I think that's what I got was a large, so it should be fine. And I'm excited to be able to use it. It's a $39.95 value, and I got it for $13.99. So it was a good deal. And I probably should have got more than that one. But I mean, how many times do we wear a blue bra? But that one's comfortable, and it goes good under just regular shirts and stuff. So it worked out well. And I know I'm going to like my day planner, and that's what it's called, Daily Planner, with stickers, so I can have a little fun with it. All right, now what about the Ooh La La? Yeah, what about the Freaky Friday? Let me tell you that real quick. This is a little freaky, and I hope you don't take it wrong, but my father sadly passed away 5 years ago on April 16th. That was yesterday. I'm filming this on the 17th, and today is my granddaughter's birthday, Briley. So happy birthday to Briley. We both share an April birthday, and we're going to have something special later on today for her, which is great. But anyways, my father was sick at the end with cancer, and he was just ate up with it, and he refused treatment because he said, I want to just live while I can without going through sickness and terrible quality of life, is how he put it. So of course we agreed to his wishes, but about a month, in January of 2021, my son came down from South Dakota. They had not moved back yet, and he told my son that he would be leaving in the spring, and which was kind of odd. Josh thought it was really strange that he told me that, and he said, and my mom's coming to get me, and that was also strange. Well, what's freaky about this is that my father hung on for, I want to say, I think an extra 4 weeks, if not longer, in agony, I think, but he was just hanging on. Toward the last couple of weeks, he wasn't even eating much. But anyways, he died on my grandmother's, his mother's birthday, April 16th, 2021. That was when he passed. And he more or less told us, and he kept telling some of us, not me personally, that he was leaving on her birthday, or that she was coming. Now, I don't know if we ever connected it to her birthday, but it just seems really freaky that that's when he died, was on her birthday, and he was telling us that she was coming to get him, or he was going to be seeing her. I don't know. When you're at that state of life and the end's coming, I guess you might can see things or know things. I don't know. But anyways, that's what he told us. And I thought about that yesterday because, of course, that's his death day, and it's her birthday. And I don't know how old she would have been. She's been gone for quite a long time. But it was just freaky. So I thought I'd share that. And now we'll get off to another story, the Beauty Edit by FabFitFun. But in this case, it's by Miss Jackie Russell. And this here's going to be a giveaway. And it's the beauty box, Ooh La La, and I think I'll just have y'all use that for my code word, Ooh La La. So you can see how it's spelled, Ooh La La. Put that in the comments in a sentence, please, and you'll be eligible. This will run 2 weeks. So I'll probably announce the winner the first Monday in May, okay? So keep that in mind. And what's in here? It's a few products that you might find from FabFitFun. One of them is a Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. This here is a great moisturizer. I have one. I don't need it, so I'm going to pass this one on. Brand new from FabFitFun, and it's like an $80 value. I have a Origin, and this is Mega Mushroom Relief Resilience. It's soothing treatment lotion for your face. So you're going to get that. I'm going to leave it intact. I also ended up with 2 of these. This is your Drunk Elephant D Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops. And I'm going to put that in there. Full size, hadn't been opened. And I guess it's that bronzy gold color. I got this from FabFitFun. It's a Kosas. And this is a lip oil, and I have one of these too. So I'm passing this one on to one of you. It's a wet lip oil, and Kosas is a very good brand. And let me get this back in here. And then the last thing I didn't get from FabFitFun, but I'm putting it in here anyways. I got this free from Ipsy from one of my purchases. and I'm going to pass it on to one of you, and it is the Cherry Bomb palette by Ciate London, and it's very nice, pretty colors. It's wrapped up good too. They do wrap it up good, and these are the colors, and I'm not going to take that cover off, but it's got the cherries on there, and it says Cherry Bomb. Well, this thing fell off, so I guess I can show it to you there. Very, very pretty. Got a highlighter and a bronzer and a blush. So you'll be able to get a good look out of that for your cheeks. And you might could even use some of that on your eyes. Not sure. But anyway, that's what's in this Ooh La La FabFitFun Beauty Edit box by Miss Jackie Russell. And use that code word. You must be 18 years or older. You must have an address in the continental USA. Now, if you're somewhere else and you're publicly subscribed to me, then we might figure out something else that we might could do for you. So, like a, I don't know, Amazon card or a Visa card or something. But this can only be mailed in the United States. Okay? So, just so you know. And so it's opened up international, but with conditions on the international, okay? And use that code word. YouTube and FabFitFun or any brands that I've shown are not affiliated with the giveaway. I've purchased everything with my own money, or it's been given to me. I would have to say all this I bought myself, and or was in a box, that I bought. So, anyways, no one's affiliated with it. It's my gift to you, and it'll end at the end of the month, and I'll announce the winner, whatever that following first Monday in May is. I'm not looking at a calendar, so we'll just go with that. And that's my Friday. My Friday today. I hope you're doing good. I will say there was one recall for Xanax, of all things. I don't know if y'all have heard of that. Have you heard of that? They had a recall, and I don't remember what the details were, but you might want to check into that because that's pretty freaky, medicines that they prescribe to you, and now they're having a recall for some reason. So be sure and check into that. But as for my FabFitFun edit sale and my wonderful cards from Myra and Retro D, Buying Spaces. Go check them out. They're great channels. Go find out all about them and join up. If you haven't already subscribed, be sure and subscribe and tell them Miss Jackie Russell sent you over. And don't forget to join in on the Ooh La La fun. And that's it. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.